If you see your culture in your school, if you see your culture in your curriculum, if you see your culture valued, if you see your culture around you, it says to you, my culture is important. And it says then to you, I have value. I am of worth.
In the year 2013, Anishinaabe artist and educator Wayne Vallier, Minogijik, partnered with folklorists and artists at the University of Wisconsin-Madison to build a birchbark canoe on campus. Integral to that project, called Wiigwaasi-Jiimaan, These Canoes Carry Culture, was the involvement of students from the Envision program of Lac du Flambeau Public School, who assisted in the harvesting of the materials in and around the reservation, and who came to the UW campus to participate in the work of the canoe's construction. The following spring, the finished canoe was brought back to the reservation for a public celebration and launching. Students and staff of the school, along with parents, elders, and the wider Lac du Flambeau community, came together to mark and to celebrate an important step in the restoration of the Ojibwe canoe tradition among young people of the community. Because of the success of the project, administrators at the school invited Wayne to construct another canoe in 2015, this time on the campus of Lac du Flambeau School. The fall of that year marked the first meeting of these two canoes, when they were used by the school's 8th graders to harvest manoman, wild rice.
Bonjour, hello everybody. Welcome to Waaswaaganing. Manoman, wild rice, is the single most reason why the Anishinaabe are here where we're at in northern Wisconsin. A lot of you know what Manomanikawan is, know what a Manomanakong is, a rice bed is. You guys have been exposed to this, probably a lot of your families. Those of you that haven't, that's why we're out here. We're out here for you that haven't. So as Wayne will be paddling me forward, the rice is on the side of me, coming up from behind me. I take my aboayigeganate, I reach over and I grab some stalks. I pull them as I'm crossing like this. And it's a sweeping motion over the top of those heads. Whack, 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 whack. Reach over, grab some more rice as it's coming up behind me, pulling it forward. Whack, 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 whack. You'll get a rhythm after a while. Rice bed got you here, helped our people for centuries. Okay, so we respect it that way.
To teach our language that's been basically stripped from our people 100 years ago. So we're making sure that our language stays alive and our people. It's our identity. It's a root of our identity. It's our language.
Always up and ace to go. A pitain dagwat, a wasiag, minawa, gitaganag. Always honor and respect your older brothers, the plants and the animals. I want people separated. I want some girls and boys together.
Yes, come with that. Oh, we already had that.
I mean, that was phenomenal this morning
that
to
was
see the
beautiful.
teachers go out with the kids, which says we think this is important. And we're all teachers and we're all learners. Today we're learning from you. Going out, we're learning from you. Now the next step is we really need to have more Native teachers. And that's really important. But you know, I think we're moving in a good direction.
It's wonderful.
Isn't it
It's
exciting?
wonderful.
Waaswaaganing means home to me. Waaswaaganing, Lake of the Torch. That's where my people came from. Anin, makwana ndu dame Waaswaaganing nujuba namara kwadijan kazoyen. Hello, I'm Wayne Vallier Jr. I live in Lac du Flambeau. I'm a native from there. I'm an Ojibwe. My clan is Bear, and I'm first year AmeriCorps. Going to school to become a language teacher, language culture teacher.
What does the Kwin mean?
Minoman Kwin is just saying Minoman are wild race, but we're wild racing.
So it makes it into a verb.
Yes. I actually want to work in my community. Self-identity and knowing who you are and where you came from is very important. And the kind of knowledge I want to spread is empowerment for my people and my youth. When I stood up in the rice bed and looked and seen all the students out there, and that we're going to keep it alive.
To me, it's so obvious that it's good for kids, and that this way of teaching is good for our kids in this community.
Okay, next group, let's do it.
What's your favorite wild rice recipe?
My mother's.
Right answer.